Hello class, I am Mrs. Rushali Chaudhary, lecturer Praveen Patil, Polytechnic. We are going to learn electrochemistry. What are the changes take place when the current, electric energy is passed through the chemicals and how the current is produced by the different chemical reaction that we are going to learn in this topic under subject code 22211 Applied Science Chemistry. Another main example of primary cell is dry cell, which we are using in our everyday life. That is also called as a Leclanche cell. It is a modification of Leclanche cell. It is not exactly dry inside, but it is a paste form, means semi-solid form. Composition, how it is made up. But before that, first you have to know where we are using this dry cell. We are using this dry cell for the torches, doorbell, transistors, for the kids' toy. Okay, they are have construction of this cell. It is consist of zinc vessel. This outside coating is made up of zinc. It is having a zinc container which is act as a anode. Inside it is having a graphite rod. That black color rod is called as a graphite rod, which is surrounded by a paste of carbon grounded powder, manganese dioxide and water, which is placed in a cloth. Okay, graphite rod is surrounded by manganese dioxide and carbon powder. After that, there is a electrolyte called as a ammonium chloride and a zinc chloride paste. Electrolyte is ammonium chloride and a zinc chloride paste. Working the reaction in a Leclanche cell or the dry cell. As zinc is more active, zinc will act as a anode. So it is also called as a flashlight battery. An anode is the zinc container covered with an insulating wrapper. Cathode is a carbon rod deep inside a manganese chloride and a carbon powder. Electrolyte is ammonium chloride, zinc chloride. During the reaction, when it is connected to the external circuit, we will observe that zinc, as it is more reactive, have a tendency to loss of electron and become Zn2+. This electron will move towards the anode, towards the cathode by the external circuit. At anode, electrons are liberated. From that, they will move towards circuit, satisfy the required, and again goes to the cathode. At cathode, MnO2 gain that electron to form M2O3 and ammonia get liberated, and during this reaction approximately 1.5 voltage is produced. The original battery is developed by the Georges Leclanche. Therefore, it is also called as a Leclanche cell. As it is having an electrolyte in a paste format, it is also called as a dry cell. What is the advantages of dry cell? As they are low temperature performance than a zinc carbon, it can work under sub-zero temperature. As there is a paste is there as an electrolyte, there is a less chances of Leclanche cell. It is available with a wide ranges of sizes like AAA, AA, C, D and 9 volt sizes, suitable for the wide range of consumer application. It is made up of non-toxic chemicals, while there is no voltage drop and longer shell life than a dry cell because of a alkaline electrolyte. The EMF of a dry cell is, answer is 1.5. The maximum voltage produced by this cell is 1.5. If we want a higher voltage, we will attach 2-3 cells accordingly requirement, so higher voltage will be produced. In a Leclanche cell, anode is packed in a porous pot containing manganese dioxide, charcoal powder, sulfur dioxide, only A and B. So answer is manganese dioxide as well as the charcoal powder. Charcoal powder is added to increase the conductivity. Leclanche cell and the Daniell cell is an example of Leclanche cell or the dry cell is an example of dry cell, while the Daniell cell where the liquid is involved, it is called as a wet cell. So option is 3, dry cell, wet cell. In a voltaic cell or the Daniell cell, anode and a cathode are made up of copper electrode zinc, zinc copper, aluminum zinc, nickel zinc. Answer is copper electrode and zinc. Thank you class. Next time we are going to learn the secondary cells. Thank you so much.